Uh-oh. You hear that? That means everybody in jail gotta lock it up.
Hey man, like we always do about this time.
Yeah, this is Ice-T, nigga, the LA player. And right now you're about to witness some of the most stupendous, incredible, magnificent, pimpin', hustlin', playing of all times. I'm talking about my nigga King T's LP, bitch. Thy kingdom come. This is what you've been waiting on. This nigga ain't on his first Rolex. This nigga been hitting switches and smacking bitches since day one, ho. Act like you know. I could buy myself a goddamn spaceship, fly all over you motherfuckers, just drop shit on you like these King T albums, motherfucker. This is the motherfucking real shit, bitch. Thy kingdom come, nigga. This nigga's walking on water, pimping, throwing hoes out of moving vehicles. God damn, what the fuck we got to do? Do we got to bring the game to you on a motherfucking silver platter? Do we gotta force feed this shit into you? Or are you just gonna sit back and listen to this LP? Nigga, recognize, learn something, increase your wealth, learn how to knock a